My name is Cody Bridgeford. Before I started working at VIKOR, I was in the United States Army. My position is Tower Tech, and the office I'm located from is Tulsa, Oklahoma. My first time on a tower would have been in Iowa, and it was exciting. It was fun getting out there and doing what I've been training to do, and just getting out there and getting my hands on. Climbed about 300 feet, and then I got to descend down that, so that was pretty fun. Being a part of the Learning Alliance definitely opened the doors. The program is 1 month. It's a total of 360 curriculum hours. At Learning Alliance, definitely learned a lot about the tower industry, got comfortable with the equipment and gear, climbing towers, and just to learn vital parts of this job. I would say the VIKOR value that resonates with me most would be unity. Being in the Army, being close-knit with the brotherhood is always important. Get that same sense of feel with the crews here.